Come on. Here we go with some more fucking noise campaign faggots. He's looking down at his phone too. Yeah, sorry, the last video got interrupted because my employer called me back. See, that's not a typical muffler. That's somebody who's out to harass people with their muffler. It's the most fucking annoying, hideous sounding bullshit you have to listen to when it's non-stop, 24/7, everywhere you go. These people follow you around. It's fucking retarded and it's stupid. They're trying to destroy any kind of peace, or, you know, you can never meditate or just feel a sense of calmness, peace. No, they have to disrupt it always by, you know, orchestrated noise campaigns. It could be planes flying over, doing engine stalls, you know, that sound, circling you all day, and number of things. It could be crickets in your community, you know, like thousands of them just placed there all of a sudden. That's what happened at my apartment. So you'll see in some of my other videos, at nighttime, all you hear is crickets, and then also a bunch of locusts too. We live in Arizona. It's not the rainforest, you know. Sounds like the rainforest where I live, though, with all the bullshit that they put there for noise. It's pretty sick and disgusting, the lengths they go to harass somebody. Very organized and orchestrated. It's a shame too, because I'm really a good-hearted person, you know. I would never do this kind of shit to people. Yet I have half the city of Phoenix doing it to me. Glendale, Chandler, Mesa, Tempe, Santan, Anthem, every little community around here. Hell, it happens in San Diego. It doesn't matter where I'm at, what city I'm at in the US, they're gonna do it to me. So yeah. They come at me like an enemy of the state, and I've done nothing wrong. See, you hear the locusts? And I hear all the roar and rumble in the background of all the lifted trucks, you know, doing their fucking noise bullshit. Yeah, and then these bugs. Just stupid. Retarded, man. So I wear earplugs a lot. I mean, I carry them with me religiously just to kind of counteract some of it. Because it will drive somebody nuts. You know, constantly having that anxiety. Knowing that all these people are here purposely to piss you off or get under your skin, you know, with the harassing noise. It's what it is, it's harassing. And it's a form of stalking, intimidating. It's gone on for so many years now, I can't even count. I know I first started noticing it in 2008, I believe. That's when I noticed the street theater, or people were following me around and all doing the same kind of thing, you know. They had the one headlight or the brights. They kept brighting me. I thought that was strange, you know, like, well, how come all these people have all their brights on? Or the one headlight, I know people used to get tickets for that, but now the police and the fire department do it too, so it tells you something. It tells you the kind of world we live in. Hear this? Locusts everywhere. And they don't start making noise until I walk by, which is strange. Who knows, maybe they control the bugs too. I know this isn't of God. I don't see God orchestrating all of the trauma on victims of and crimes against humanity. You know, I don't see God making our lives a living hell, just trying to exist. And I have faith in Jesus. I know He died for us. I love God and everything about Him, everything He's done for me. But all these people, they think they're doing good by stalking and harassing with their lifted trucks all day long, all night long. Motorcycles, kids even with like little mini bikes with the mufflers cut off. They rip ass up and down the street too. Even during rush hour, they'll be doing that. You know, it makes no sense. There's a police station not even a mile from here, and they do this kind of shit. The fire department's right here across the street. You should hear how many times they set off their sirens. As soon as I come outside, a lot of times I'll hear their sirens go off. Yeah, all I hear is that fucking dual exhaust in the background. That's Bell Road right up here. It's a busy street, but hell, any street is busy if I'm on it. Like, you see all these little cars going up and down here, the neighborhood. It's not like this. And there's a gang stalker in the little car right there. Every time I seem to pull into the complex, he's there. Like, and he's got a paper license plate, and it seems like he's just there to stop me or you know, slow me down when I'm coming into the property. Just to be agitating, you know? Like, I want to get home when I'm off of work, you know? I'm tired of being harassed, so... You hear all that noise in the background? Harleys, dual exhaust. I can smell all the bad toxic fumes from the exhaust because they all have their catalytic converters cut off, mufflers, whatever. Sometimes these cars will go by me and it smells so toxic, I gotta hold my breath, you know, and wait for the wind to blow it past, because it makes you nauseous as soon as you take a breath of it. So I don't know if they're adding something into the fuel or what, but so yeah, it's just another typical day. It's like 3 in the afternoon, but it's rush hour wherever I'm at. It don't matter what time of day or night it is. It's gonna be heavy traffic. It's a shame it's like that, but it's a shame that so many people sign up to do this. And it's like they enjoy doing it, you know. They think they're fighting crime somehow by stalking and harassing me, and they have no idea who I am. They don't even know that I'm innocent. Or do they even care, you know? Hold on, Zeta. Wait. Stay there. Stay. No. Stay. There's a gang stalker there. He's getting in his truck. He's got his flags going in the back and is riding in the daytime. Oh, he just turned the brights off because he seen I was recording him. Oh no, he turned it back on. Then he turned them off. I guess he's flashing, he's signaling for something. He doesn't want to be recorded and exposed like all of them. None of them want to be recorded. Well, they shouldn't be doing the stuff they're doing, you know. Man, the traffic is just, look at all these people just popping out of the neighborhood like do 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 do. And up here, they're coming into the neighborhood like crazy also. Yeah, and of course they're going to be turning right where I'm going to be turning. Yeah, they got the navigator in the passenger seat telling them where to go. Yeah, the target's right here. Driving the white van. Oh, and here we got a stalker right here. With her headlights on. I'm really upset at my job for making me the new kid's laborer. The kid is my son's age, you know. I'm like 30 years older than this kid, and he doesn't know shit, you know. He knows a little bit about construction, but nothing compared to me, right? So they have me on this, working on a job that they put him on to do flooring in a house. And mind you, I told them I don't want to do flooring. I got a bad knee. Yeah, granted I can do it, but I'd just rather not. I think it'd be better for them to just sub it out, right? Nope. They put me on the job with him and make me his little bitch. So he's got a pickup. He could load up this trash and take it to the shop on his way home. But no, they have me loaded up in this van by myself. He didn't help me at all. That's how I hurt my back, right? So yeah, they had me, he had me loaded up. Didn't help me with one piece of trash. And yeah, I'm just upset about it. Making me his little gopher at the job. And then the job's taking forever also because he doesn't stay consistent working. He takes all these little breaks and tells me to go get another box of flooring. I'm like, dude, why don't you get up off your ass and do something, man? You're fucking 30 years old, you know? Or 20 something. I don't know how old he is, but it's just not right. It's not fair. So yeah, I was upset about it. So yep, they're gonna end up losing me over it. I'm not gonna be depreciated or unappreciated, whatever you want to call it. They're not gonna make my self-worth any lower than it already is being a targeted person. They're just adding to it purposely, you know. And then they're holding the van over my head kind of thing. So I'm like, screw it, you know. I was told I could get a vehicle after 6 months, and then now all of a sudden, they never said that, so fuck them, you know, whatever. They want me to drive my truck that's been sabotaged, and I've spent thousands on it to fix it, and the perpetrators just keep breaking things on it. The front end, transmission, the rear end, a lot of things they've done to harm my vehicle. So yeah, I'm just fed up with all of it. Anyways, that's my little gangstalking rant for now. I guess I'm gonna stop the video and try to relax. Anyways, God bless.